Meteorology Fun Sounds out here with me, guys. And today we are going to talk about Nokia 206 out there. Yes, talking about this variant, talking about 206, we can say that this variant is quite different out there from 215 variant, but it's still the same out there in the structurality we talk. If we talk about the structurality, we can say key to Nokia series have definitely evolved over the period of time. The structures have always been different. The structure has always now become the compact, the tiny, compactable thing out there. Or we can say that the structure has uh, compressed itself. Yes, the earlier structure used to give a very heavy look out there, or very which used to show us the power out there, that kind of a look. But now this variant has definitely evolved as a compact, a tiny or sleeky designed one. So that could be considered as a good variation out there in the Nokia structurality point. Talking about this variant, they might have compact and started compacting with these series, but the weightage has not reduced much and has increased over the period. Like it weighs more than 90 grams, so that could be said that it was slightly heavier out there. With a single SIM and dual SIM technology, both the variants in one category out there, whereas you get to see mini SIM technology out there. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टीएफटी स्क्रीनिंग के साथ साथ टीएफटी के साथ साथ इसमें आपको जो देखने को मिलता है 65 के कलराइजेशन व्हिच इज रियली अ गुड वर्जन. You also get to see the 2.4-inch screen out there with different variations, different colorization out there. We can say that this variant offers a good expandability. Why I'm saying expandability? Because the entry for 1000 phone book entries or 1000 entries out there cannot be just done with 64 MB. Yes, internal storage capacity is just 64 MB and expandability is definitely required out there. And when we talk about expandability, it offers a good amount of expandability. Offering a good quality camera is something we all owe for. Yes, this variant 206 variant out here offers you good quality camera, that is 1.3 megapixel. Talking about this variant, we can say that 1.3 megapixel camera is definitely a good version. Why I say so? We say this because if we see the upgraded versions, late versions of these variants, they offer VGA camera, a 0.3 camera. They are very poor. But offering 1.3 camera is definitely one of the good versions. Talking about this variant, we can say offering 3.5 jack and Bluetooth connectivity and obviously the FM recording connection, they are also good. But the drawback remains the same, that these kind of phones, these tiny kind of phones do not offer you internet purpose. Yes, net connectivity are very poor out there. USB typing charging is not still out in this variant. Whereas this variant offers you 1110 mAh battery. 1110 mAh battery with a good quality talk time. Yes, a good quality talk time means like you can talk up to 20 to 21 hours. So that's a wonderful one out there. We can say there's a good feature out there. Talking about good feature, good specifications, we can say that this variant do offer out something which you can say is not available on all the websites. Yes, if we talk about the ability of websites, these kind of variants are available on very limited websites, and one such website is available with us. Talking about that website, you have to go on the description link and click on Google. You can also do that. Go on Google and type phoneson.ae. या description में दिए हुए link पे जा सकते हैं. It offers you not just one brand but n number of gadgets under the category of Apple, Samsung, Nokia, Sony. There are n number of gadgets. Whereas this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out there. Yes, this is the gadget out here. So let us wait for the results. So the result is out, and when we see the results out there, it has a description box. So in the description box, it has all the specifications, features which we were talking, or if you want to know what all specifications it has, they have been mentioned out there. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a condition written refurbished. Yes, refurbished condition is written outside. So let us talk about refurbished condition, compare it with the brand new, see how they are similar, how dissimilar they are, whether it is affordable or it's good to have a refurbished product or not. So everything we are going to talk it. Talking about refurbished product or talking about brand new product, we can say that these two products are quite similar. Like yes, the products are quite similar. When we talk about refurbished and brand new, refurbished itself means creating something new. Like yes, creating something new like is the exact meaning or the exact definition we can say of refurbished. Whereas brand new is absolutely brand new, untouched out there. What is the major difference between a brand new and a refurbished product? We can say that brand new products are usually a line chain of like company, uh, the mediator, whosoever is selling or is representing that brand out there in the market, and then the users. Whereas if we talk about refurbished products, then we can say that these are like company, the mediators out there who are representing it, user, the consumer, customer, everyone out there, we can declare them as a user. Then again, when they get, they want to resell it, they resell it, and then it is again by the company. Now, the company is the agency, or we can say a site out there, which usually tests the product out there. It takes the products out there which are pre-owned. Yes, pre-owned are tested out there, and then again a new customer have this brand new kind of a phone. Yes, a new like phone they have. When we say these kind of phones, they are pre-owned and have been used once, but the major difference lies out here is that these pre-owned or the used products are tested, verified, are given certificates, are testimonialized, where these products do get an certificate that they are absolutely new, like they are ready to use, you can reuse them, and they will be definitely same as they were before. So this is what happens in refurbished and brand new. Major difference. Now, what are the similarities? If we talk about the similarities, then we can say there are similarities in the testing sites or in the certification sites or the certificates given to them or anything we would like to say. Talking about that, we can say that these sites do offer you a great variety or a great range of certifications which include like the external factors and the internal factors. Talking about the external factors, these might include the display, the camera, audio, video, your battery, your charging capacity, your battery life, whether it's how kind of battery it is, whether it's swelling or not, whether it's the original battery used in it or not, everything out there it has been checked. The scratches out there on the box or the device out there, the handset we have, everything out there has been to be checked and is checked. Once they are checked out, they are moved. The external factors are checked out. We can say that given a certification for the external factors certification, they are absolutely good in quality. Then they come to the internal factors which require a specified test, like the connections require a specified test. Each connection requires a different test. Like Wi-Fi requires another test, WAN requires another test, Bluetooth hotspot requires another test, GPS, infrared ports require another kind of test. So these kind of tests require different strategies. Moving to them, there comes the internal factors like operating system, processor, GPU, CPU out there, the internal parts, the resistance capacity, SIM recognition out there, colorization, the screening, the touch, how is it working, everything out there has to be checked. So when every factor, every specification is checked, around 29 parameters are there which check these specifications. When they are checked out, they are given a certificate that these are absolutely ready to use, they are 100% good in quality, they can be reused, and are given a certificate that is refurbished certificate. Now, talking about these products, they have to be a good in quality. Why? Because it does not only represent a brand, it represents an entire process used out in it. Yes, it requires entire process out there. So you get to have a lot of good quality, lot of good things about them. You get to have a lot of things about it. And the similarities is this only, that they have the same certifications out there. Otherwise, there are few benefits over refurbished products. Yes, there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new products. And moving on the benefits, Let me tell you, number one benefit is that you get to save up to 15%. Yes, you get to have a savings up to 15%. When we talk about savings, we all love it. We all love to save money. We all love to have savings because we can do a lot of things with that. Anything we would like to do. Talking about the savings, we can say that brand new products are slightly expensive as compared to refurbished, so they need to be saved, so we can save a good amount of savings out there. Now talking about another factor, coming to that only, I would like to add to this saving point is the pocketable rate. Since brand new products are slightly expensive, we save up to 15%. But how we save? Because the refurbished products, they are actually quite pocketable. They are much less expensive as compared to them. They are not that much expensive out there, so these can be considered like that way. Yes, they are less expensive out there. They do not have much of the expenses. They do not cost that much. Now costing does not happens to be much. Then the warranty period of brand new, we already know, is 1 year, but the refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 6 months warranty is definitely is offered you when you have a brand and a condition called refurbished. We can say that usually when we buy any pre-owned phone, the conditions are like you do not get any warranty period, you have no other documentations, nothing you get out there. But here you get 6 months warranty if the condition is written refurbished. Whereas you also get to have, if you shop from the sites, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy out there. So definitely it could be considered as an advantage out there, because usually owning the pre-owned phones out there reduces the chances of good quality and everything out there. So you definitely take a risk. When we take a risk, it happens that we usually do have a policy out there, or we tend to have a site which offers your policy where you can exchange your goods out there if they are not in good condition. So definitely it offers you such kind of a website is offering you this kind of a policy. Now talking about the site, I would like to introduce you to the website, which is phonezone.ae. I'm again introducing you to the website. This is phonezone.ae. We have already talked about this website. We have seen all the gadgets out there, our favorite models out there. This site offers you not just one brand, but all the brands under the category of all mobile phones, which we have already discussed. But I would like to add to it that yes, this site offers you all the features which I have talked about. These offers you pocketable rates of your favorite gadgets. That's why you can save up to 15%, as well as they are offering you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. Apart from this, 100% original products could be seen. That's why I said that you can definitely check out this website. This website not only offers you COD but free shipping also. Yes, offering free shipping definitely helps out a lot of people because that definitely gives us surety. And COD also helps you to have a confidence that it will be delivered within a very short span of time. Talking about the short span of time, I could say the site promises to deliver within most parts of UAE, in most of the parts of UAE, that it can deliver up to 48 hours. Yes, within 48 hours, it will deliver within your doorsteps. As well as in Dubai, it might take up to a week, but in most of the parts, in most of the UAE parts, it will deliver within 48 hours along with free shipping and COD. For more updates, you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets. Or if you want to know about your favorite model, you can call on the helpline number. It's the description box has a link. You can definitely check out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.